Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Todoist recurring habits for daily discipline step by step clearly. Open the Todoist app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. On the main screen, locate the plus icon or add task button. Click on it to create a new task. In the task entry field, type the name of the habit you want to track. For example, enter exercise or read for 30 minutes. Next, look for the calendar icon or the option to set a due date. Click on it to open the date options. Select Custom from the recurring options. Choose how often you want the task to repeat. For daily habits, select every day. If you want the task to repeat on specific days, select those as well. After setting the repeat frequency, click Done or Save. Optionally, you can set a reminder for the task. Click on the bell icon if you wish to receive notifications. Choose a time for your reminder notification. After setting the reminder, click Save again. Your recurring habit is now created. To see your habits, go back to your main task list. Review your daily tasks to ensure the habit appears as expected. You can edit or adjust the task at any time by clicking on it. To track your progress, mark the habit as complete each day. Regularly reviewing your habits can help strengthen your discipline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.